Hi, I'm Jeff from Sussex Installations. Today's video, it's a different type of video. I've been doing a few of these like video log, vlog, whatever you call it, like behind the scenes videos. And today, like, you know, what goes into running a business, doing the YouTube channel, all the behind the scenes stuff. And what we got today, we got something that's a bit different. I mean, the soundtrack for the YouTube videos, you'll notice it's all the same. It's a generic soundtrack, which I've used for many years. And I just feel like we're not a generic business. We're not doing the same as everyone else. You know, we're a custom business doing really clever, standout stuff. So we should have a standout tune. So I'm heading off to see a very good friend of mine and superstar DJ TwoSlice. Let's see what he can do for us, a custom soundtrack to this music. So hope you like the soundtrack. Let's check it out, see what you think. Let me know, give us a feedback. So I'm here in the studio with superstar DJ TwoSlice.
Hello.
How's it going?
Yeah, pretty good, thanks. Quite warm, isn't it? Hottest day of the year, well, ever.
Yeah, we definitely picked a warm day to do this. So what do you think of this? Like, is this a bit of a barking mad idea? Like, to have, like, you know, I want to like a bit of a bass, like an underlying soundtrack for the video, but then a bit more of like an excitement video to over, like a bit more of an excitement bit of tunes to overlay on the video when we're doing exciting stuff, you know, when we're cutting metal and drilling holes in vans and all that.
Yeah, not at all. I think it's good to have your own sound going on as well, and yeah, going to be able to mix it around a bit, get some sort of bit more peak sort of energetic moments, and then a bit more mellow when you're talking and stuff. Yeah.
And working on a project like this, how does it compare to like being in the clubs and, you know, disco?
Yeah, it's fun making something a bit different, to be honest, like a bit of a lower BPM than what I'm used to, but it's good fun.
I've had to get him slow it down a bit because, you know, I'm an old boy. I'm in my 40s, you know, like, you know, got this disco soundtrack, bum bum bum, everything like that. You know, I'm energetic, but, you know, like we need to be like 43-year-old energetic for this soundtrack.
Yeah, I don't know. I reckon we can play this in the clubs as well. It's gonna kick off big time in the club.
Nice one. And see, can you give us a preview of what we got so far?
Let's have a listen.
So if we're in the club with this, what's gonna, you know, what do we be doing? What's the hand actions we're gonna be doing for this?
I don't know. I think we could just a bit of stepping, like
behind the decks.
Hands in the air.
You're cringing at the moment. Yeah, get out of here, old boy.
No, not at all.
Right, well, I think that's sounding great. It sounds like a masterpiece. Look, here's my really, really rubbishy little sketch diagram kind of thing. And Jamie's turned that into a masterpiece. Not that I was telling him how to do the music or anything. Yeah, that's it. Ready? Let's take it for a ride. Take it for a run.
Ooh.
So, last thing, we need to try it over a piece of Sussex Installations video to see if it's going to work.
Let's have a look.
Let's go full screen. I like it.
Think it's working?
I think it's epic. Yeah,
Sweet.
I think you've done us proud there, Jamie.
Good.
So, Jamie, DJ TwoSlice, you know, how are you going these days for an official piece of masterpiece like this? You know, what's the name?
What's the name of the track?
Where are people going to find you?
TwoSlice. Yeah, TwoSlice Music on whatever, Instagram.
Obviously for this soundtrack, because this is Sussex Installations exclusive. But for your own masterpiece, get in touch.
Get in touch.
Okay, so you know that I've been with DJ TwoSlice today, working on the music. So I'm going to play it to you. I'm going to see what you think. Are you ready? You ready to hear it? You're ready? Okay. Right, here we go. And big fish, little fish. Well, what do you think?
Good beat.
So see what you guys think of it. Yeah, I'm pleased. I think it's going to be good. I think it's going to be a great fit here with our Sussex Installations YouTube channel. Different video today. Hopefully it's not too boring. Hopefully it's of some sort of interest here. It's very off topic from van security, but this is the type of detail and the care and attention that we put into all aspects of the business, right? From the music on the YouTube channel to the products that we make. You know, we want everything to be good. We want everything to be spot on. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like to the channel. Stay up to date with all the latest in van security and occasionally a little bit of off topic behind the scenes stuff here too.